is equal to 27 plus x to the third. So remember that f of x means y. So y is 27 plus x to the third. Then you switch your x's and y's. So you get x equals 27 plus y to the third. Now we want to get y by itself. So move your 27 over. So y to the third equals x minus 27. And to cancel out that cube, we're going to take the cube root of both sides. So y will equal the cube root of x minus 27. That's your final answer. Okay, number 2. All right, we're also finding the inverse. So we start with f of x equals the square root of x minus 2. So make that y equals the square root of x minus 2. Switch x and y. So then now we want to get y by itself, so we have to get rid of that square root. So we're going to square both sides. So that gives us x squared equals y minus 2. Add the 2 over. So y equals x squared plus 2.
Yeah, you will.
Shh.
So after you added the 2 to both of them, did you split the y and the...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. I just flipped it around. It doesn't matter what side it's on.
Where'd the 2 come from? So...
Which 2? This one?
No, the bottom one.
This one?
He's saying how to get rid of the...
So instead it was a y minus... So when you take the square... Like when you square the square root, you're left with what's inside. So I have y minus 2. So I added 2 to cancel it out here. Added 2 over here. So now I have x squared plus 2. Which is what this is.
So when they're finished, they always have to end y equals...
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you should have y completely by itself equal to something. Okay, number 3. So for 3 and 4, you had to do the horizontal line test. So 3 looks roughly like this. I know not exactly. 4 is...
And 3 is no.
Shh. All right, so 3 would be no because it does not pass the horizontal line test. 4 is yes. Because they pass both the horizontal and vertical line tests.
Oh, it has to pass vertical.
Has to pass both.
Why, so they want the little bit?
Yes. Okay, and then we skipped 5 and 6, so let's go to 7. All right, and we had to plug in -2, 0, 1, and 4. I was okay if you guys use a calculator on these. So it's going to be 1/3 to the -2 power, which is going to equal 9. Anything to the 0 power equals what?
1.
Good job.
1 no.
Anything to the first power equals itself. So that would be 1/81. So 9, 1, 1/3, 1/81 for number 7. All right, and then number 8. So we have f of x equals 3 to the x. So 3 to the -2 is going to be 1/9. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the first power is itself. And then 3 to the 4th. So 9 times 9, 81. All right, questions on 7 and 8? You feel pretty good about those? Okay, good. We skipped 9 and 10, so we went to 11 next, right? Okay, did we do okay plugging those into the calculator?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to write those answers up. So you should get For number 11, you get 0.378, 10.330, 87.847, and 3,162.655.
You show us how to do that.
Yes. All right. So with those, you had to be sure and add 1 to what you were plugging in. You're not adding 1 at the end. So like for number, what is it? I guess number 11. So I'm going to hit 7, then put my little caret thing. So my first thing was negative 1.5 and then plus 1. So you want to make sure that everything that you plug in there with the plus 1 is in the exponent on the calculator. Okay, so here, I'll walk around and show you what it looks like. In number 12, the plus 15 is at the end. It's not in the exponent. So you would hit that right arrow key to get out of your exponent before you put that plus 15 in. Or do the exponent and then plus 15. So for 12, you get 14.646, 13.851, 12.538, and 6.175.
Oh, okay.
Like I was close. I was like one number off for each one.
I don't know either. I'll look at it when we're done. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and move forward to 13. So again, plugging stuff in the here. So for 13, you should get 1.279. 14 is 1.099. Okay. 15 and 16. Sorry, questions on 13 and 14? Okay, I was going to say, you guys seem like you've gotten the hang of putting logs in the calculator pretty well at this point. Okay, 15. So we start with this, and we need to write it as a logarithm. So it's going to...
Is this part of the logarithm functions?
I think. So it's going to become y equals, so your exponent equals log base 3 of 18. Sometimes that door doesn't latch and it opens. So. Okay, shh. Guys, be quiet. I'm recording and would like to get through this.
You're recording?
Yes. All right, so this one, all right, we're going to have 2y equals log base 4 of 12. What?
After the number 4.
It's a 2y. Okay. And then 17 and 18, we're just going the opposite direction, like from 15 and 16. So for 17, we're going to start with 15 equals log base 5 of x. So that means x is equal, well, I guess I'm just going to draw an arrow. So x equals 5 to the 15th is what we're looking for there.
What about 5 to the 15th equals x?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, if you have 5 to the 15th equals x, that's fine. Basically, as long as you have the x by itself, 5 is the base, 15 is the exponent, we're good. Okay, and then 18. Shh. Okay, number 18. So we start with y equals log 3 of 7. So that's going to be 7 equals 3 to the y. All right, so whatever your logarithm is equal to is your exponent.
Can you leave that up there?
Yes. So it helps some people, like, so to kind of just like follow that arrow. So like 7 equals 3 to the y. Like they appear in that order. Yeah.
Is that like that every time?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
It's just split basically.
Oh, that makes my life a lot.
Well, good. Okay, and then for 19 and 20, so we have log 7 of 25. We're doing the change of base formula, so you plug that in as log 25 divided by log 7 into the calculator, or you can do ln 25 and ln 7, but you should get 1.654. And then for 20, you should get 1.732.
Can you work out one of those, please?
It's just you plug them into the calculator. So like you can do, like you can hit the fraction button and then hit the second log, bring up your logarithm, put in 25, then divided by second probability log 7. So, Brian, if you want to come up, I can show you how to plug it in if you're having trouble.
I think I can plug it in. I just didn't know.
Okay.
So this one would be log 45 up top.
Yes, and then log 9 on the bottom.
Okay.
Yes.
This is
Huh? It is not.
Yeah, I don't like straight.
Do we have any other, like the weird ones?
The expanding and condensing, yes.